Hey there, it's Walmart Chef Anthony Serrano, and we're making a 5-ingredient creme brulee from our 5-ingredient inspiration series. All you need is these amazing ingredients. You start off by combining the melted ice cream, egg yolk, and vanilla in a bowl. You want to make sure that you give it a good little mix to combine all those ingredients together. Then you pour the mixture into ramekins, and you put those ramekins inside of a pan filled with water. Once your creme brulee is ready, remove it from the oven and top it with a good amount of sugar. Then use a culinary torch or your oven's broiler to melt that sugar on top of your creme brulee. I like serving it with a little bit of whipped cream, fresh berries, and mint. Thanks so much for watching. For more recipes just like this, be sure to subscribe to the Walmart Chef series on YouTube.